Howdy. Today I'm going to introduce a tool that can help construction companies to optimize the locations of their facilities on a job site. Every day, construction workers need to travel among different facilities such as two-room, offices, lunch area, work areas. How to minimize their total travel distance is a matter of time and money, and also safety. So this tool, site layout optimization tool slot, can help you minimize the travel distance by reallocate the facilities you have on the job site. This tool is totally web-based. You do not need to install any program or buy any license. You just open a web address and then everything will work there. So you can drag your drawing to this area, or you can just simply click here to load your drawing. So I just have this drawing, and once it's loaded, you just go upload. Then the drawing will be sent to our cloud server and loaded as the background of this workface. So just give it a second. All right, so now it's working. So this is the drawing we have. You can definitely zoom in, zoom out with the keyboard and the mouse. One of my hands is actually occupied now, so I just have to use the scroller. But just want to know, you can use your mouse, the scroller of your mouse, and the shift key on your keyboard to zoom in, zoom out to navigate this one. Okay, so step one is to plot the facilities on a job site. So you just basically click here, and then you can just plot the boundary of your facility like this. And once it's a closed loop, it will highlight that. Now you have your facility. So let me just plot another facility, like here. You can just plot the boundary. A little bit complex here. All right, so now we have two facilities. You can actually go define the work area. So I'm just randomly selecting this part as the work area. It's probably not the actual work area. Another thing is, on a job site, you will also have a lot of obstacles, such like the clear area that like underneath the tower crane, or you have some stacking area that you don't want the construction workers to go through. So then you can also identify, some of the obstacles. I'm just randomly plotting something here. All right. So once the thing is done, you can also, pick the facility here, and in the property window, you can change the ID and the facility name as you want. Let's say change this to ABC. Now you see it's been changed, and also it's also show here. Let's say this is let me just change it to 2 room. Just change it to 2 room, and then this part is being changed to 2 room, work area, everything. Now the next step is to want to define the travel. So let me say, from this facility ABC to the 2 room, and this is the travel. And here you can actually define, hey, so for this travel, I think I have 4 crew members. Their wage rate is $22 per hour, and the travel frequency is estimated to be 5 times per day. And meanwhile, you can actually add a second line. I have another crew for 10 people, and their wage rate is $19 per hour, and their travel frequency is 10 times. So you can add all the information here. And now you can also add, different travels. Let's say we also have a travel from this 2 room to the work area, and you can similarly define the information here. So once that is done, you can set up your goal of optimization. You can try to minimize the dollar amount based on their wage rate and travel frequency, or just as simple as travel minimize distance. So once you're okay with the setup, everything, just click this optimization and just give it a second. Now the program on our server is actually running something called a genetic algorithm to optimize the location. Here you will see it's overlapping with the work area a little bit, which suggests you that you probably should consider to divide the facility A, B, C to 2 separate facilities, and then you can rerun the analysis. Okay, so like I mentioned, this is a web-based tool used to optimize the travel distance. It will improve the time, cost, performance, and probably also the safety performance of your construction projects. Thanks.